Young and the Restless, how long until someone realizes Billy needs help? Y&R spoilers say that Billy Abbott continues to crumble on the inside. But he's keeping up appearances so none of his loved ones realize what's happening. But it sure seems he's spiraling out again. So, his actions could break up his relationship with Victoria. And Young and the Restless spoilers hint that maybe that's the best thing for him. Because, with Victoria, Billy feels like he's never good enough and always working to prove himself. But he sees a kindred spirit in Amanda, and their darkness seems to call to each other on the CBS soap. Y&R fans want to see Amanda paired with Devon Hamilton to get that Devon Hillary vibe going again. And it might still happen. However, this deal with Billy Abbott might be a detour on her road to the ex-billionaire. So, how far will Billy Abbott fall before someone takes note? Young and the Restless spoilers, Billy needs a woman that accepts the real him. December 17, 2019. Kelly Joyner. Billy Abbott, Y&R. Young and the Restless spoilers keep dropping hints that Billy Abbott's not going to stick with Victoria Newman. In fact, it looks more and more like he might be paired with Amanda Sinclair. His character clearly needs something that he can't get from Victoria. So, will he get it from Amanda? Wonder Y&R spoilers. See what's next on the CBS Sudza. Young and the Restless spoilers, Billy Abbott's internal cry for help ignored. Y&R spoilers remind that Billy Abbott's got a strange internal dialogue going on. No one hears this voice but him. Clearly, his mind is not right, although he's not gone full-blown gum-chewing killer Billy again. But he's hanging out in dive bars with Amanda on Young and the Restless. Spoilers recall the only reason Billy went home to Victoria was because Amanda left, even though he asked her not to go. Then, Billy Abbott turned down a card game and clapped himself on the back for it, per Young and the Restless spoilers. Later at home, Billy Abbott internally begged Victoria to tell him that he was enough for her as is. Billy needed her to tell him she loves him no matter what, and he didn't need to change for her. Instead, Young and the Restless spoilers know Victoria said quite the opposite. Y&R spoilers, Victoria thinks Billy's changed, but into what? Young and the Restless featured Victoria going on about how much Billy Abbott's changed for her and the kids. But inside, he doesn't think he should have to change. Clearly, he's at a point where he wants someone to accept him as he is, no matter what. And that's the kind of vibe that he's got going with Amanda right now on Y&R. Spoilers say they keep spending time together under the guise of friendship. Plus, Billy Abbott's increasingly at home less and less. Also, his new job sends him out of town. So, he's pulling back from Vicky and the kids. Young and the Restless spoilers predict this invites Billy to make trouble. This inner voice of his hints at mental issues, even though he no longer seems homicidal. But neither Victoria nor Amanda realize they should be concerned about Billy Abbott. And they should.